The poll for this episode is a question. How do you spell turds? T-E-R-D or T-U-R-D? Let me know down below. Yeah, that'll work fine. We'll hook something right there to either side of that. Pull the hell out of it. Of course, you got to get the gator, cooler, and a few beers. Rigging. Want it nice and even. Tie a little knot in it. Like that. Get away with that right there. Let's see how this works. We'll see what it does. Hop on. Oh, buddy, we're making a mess. This rig might not make it over there. We're wild. Making sure the turds are dry enough to bust. If they ain't dry enough, they'll smear. And if they smear, they ain't no helping. Let's grab a tire for good measure. Might not even need the tire. Might be too much weight, I might fold this thing. Grab 2 uneven tires. Of course, it wants to put a lighter tire up ahead. Always something, ain't it? Oh boy, look at that field of turds. Might lose a tire up there. Woo! So if you don't do this, good fresh grass will grow up in these turds and the cows won't eat it. There'll be grass out here 4 foot high growing out of a turd, they won't eat it. But if you do this, it tricks them. And they'll eat it all. About hit the pump house. Maybe I'll kick her out. I should clear it. Woo! They're rich in here, ain't they? You see when they're black and shiny like that, that means they're getting plenty of fat in their diet. These cows been eating a lot of ho-hos. Now you see why I say you need to get you a cooler and some beers. This can take a while. What's nice about this is when you get done, get nice stripes in it. It looks like AstroTurf. You ain't got no herniated disc, do you? Or hemorrhoid. If you do, this will wake them up. There goes Savage. That's a damn cow horse, boy. Don't this make you hungry? Grass will be so lush in here, you can walk barefooted and like in paradise. Won't see no turds, won't smell no turds. This pasture's half Bermuda, half got some centipede in it. It's got all kind of mess in it. Feel your allergies starting to get going. After this, we'll let the cows off of it. That way it'll give this grass a sporting chance to start up. Let the grass grow and fertilize it, put the cows back on it. We let them stay on it in the winter time so they can walk off their turds. Yeah, about 2 months we'll be hitting golf balls out here. Looks like Pinehurst. You know, they actually make something to do this with, pasture drag. They're kind of pricey. How bad's your back hurt? Can't tell where we've been anymore. The concentration of turds not so good. Look like we've been over this spot. You having fun yet? Boy, I bet you're regretting the day you said you'd climb on this thing with me. Some of those turds are too dry, they're too far gone. Like bricks. Good fire starters. That one might bust pretty good too. Oh yeah. Little things keep you going. Beautiful animal. I have. I have to do a horseback series. Roping and wrangling and, you know, buckarooing. This is called the freestyle event. Yeah, this gator don't sound happy. Let's go get our tire and turn in. I think it looks a little better out here. How much cleaner that looks. See, it's all a big circle. Grass grows, cows eat it, make turds, turds goes, feeds grass. Beautiful. Always put stuff back where you found it, even if where you found it is not where it's supposed to be. You don't want these cow pies to take home with you? More than one use for everything, ain't there? You know, my wife says she's tired of all this junk around here. That's all in the eye of the beholder. That ain't junk. Useful. It's only junk if it has no use. I'm gonna change the back polish nice and clean. Knock the rust off. And I got a row rust back out of that ordeal. Win and win.